Hi everyone, welcome to Chazs Lifestyle. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how I make this shrimp pasta. So this recipe is pretty simple and easy. I will have all of my ingredients listed down below in the description box. So if you're interested in making this, please check that out. I went ahead and chopped up some spinach. Now I'm on to my seasoning mix. I'm just adding all of my seasonings in one bowl and giving that a good toss. I will be using colossal shrimp today. I do recommend colossal or jumbo. It's just the tenderness of those size shrimps is just perfect. So I went ahead and added a little bit of olive oil, gave that a quick toss to help my seasoning stick, and then I went ahead and added some seasonings, give that another good mix. I will be using this style pasta today. In a preheated pan on a medium-high heat, I went ahead and add some infused olive oil. After I add the oil and it heats up a bit, I will go ahead and drop in my shrimp. Now your shrimp, they don't take long at all to cook, so be sure to keep an eye out on them. You just want them pretty tender but not overcooked. So once that side is done and it's cooked to my liking, I went ahead and flipped it so the other side can get a nice pretty sear. As you can see, it has a nice slight sear on top. That's what you want. It gives it a little texture, but it keeps it really tender on the inside. So once my shrimp are done cooking, I went ahead and removed them and put them in a bowl. In that same pan, I wiped it out. I will be making my cream sauce for my pasta, so I'm going to go ahead and add a couple cups of heavy cream. At this point, my heat is on a medium-low heat. You don't want it too high, or you don't want it to scorch your heavy cream. Now sprinkle in some of that seasoning, season to taste as well. Like I said, all the ingredients are listed down below. Next, I added in some garlic paste. You can add in minced garlic, but if you prefer a paste, I do suggest that brand. Whisk that in very well. Like I said, season to taste. I went ahead and added a little bit more of that seasoning mix we made earlier, and I'm going to whisk that in until it's pretty smooth. Once all those seasonings are mixed in very well, I will bring my sauce to a slight boil. We are going to go ahead and add in that freshly chopped spinach. Now you can use steamed spinach if you prefer, but usually my spinach cooks in the sauce, so I don't mind using the fresh spinach without steaming it. So after about 3 to 4 minutes, I went ahead and shredded some fresh Parmesan cheese. And I'm going to mix that in until it's completely smooth. I went ahead and turned my heat off as well. So it's coming together good. My sauce is thickening up since I turned off my heat. So now it's time to add in that pasta. I am not using the whole bag, but I'm using most of it. So add to your liking depending on how much meat you have or seafood. Once I added the pasta, I went ahead and added the shrimp, including all those juices that came off the shrimp. So you want to give that a really good toss. Your sauce will thicken up, so go ahead and do this quickly and serve while fresh and hot. If you decide to make this recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chazs Cuisine Story. Also, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't a part of the lifestyle already, and comment any other recipe or video topic you'd like to see on this channel. Now for my favorite part, taste test.